In the Red Fort blast case, sources have now confirmed that the crucial evidence has been recovered from the phone of Dr. Muzammil, one of the doctors who was arrested in the Jaish-linked terror module. Now, investigative agencies have found multiple photographs, in fact, of key Delhi locations. What does this suggest? This suggests that Muzammil made several visits to the national capital, all linked to his planning and plotting of terror attacks. Now, according to sources, digital data from his phone and his confessions places him as well as Dr. Umar near the Red Fort in the first week of January, which confirmed that the duo carried out a recce of the area as well ahead of the Republic Day. Investigators now believe that the Red Fort in fact was their initial target for a Republic Day strike, which they later changed, planning instead to attack a crowded Delhi market during Diwali. This was to maximize the panic and casualties. Now, agencies are also probing people who met Muzammil in Delhi and whether others were also part of this recce team. His digital trail so far and the confessions have now become critical leads in exposing this wider Jaish-e-Mohammed network, which was in fact operating right near the heart of India's capital. So far, crucial links have of course shown us that Red Fort was in fact their target way ahead of the Republic Day, but then they later changed it to somewhere around Diwali to cause a maximum panic and casualties. At this point, these are the latest details. We know that they wanted to cause the maximum casualties and pain. Initially, their target was Republic Day and then they later changed it to Diwali. In fact, more developments coming on this front. The Red Fort blast investigation has now widened, with the security agencies now conducting coordinated operations across multiple states in the country. So now the case has gone far beyond the capital. In a major development, Dr. Parvez, who is the brother of Dr. Shaheen, has now been taken to Delhi by the UP-ATS, and this is for questioning. Sources say that the NIA will now formally interrogate him in connection with this terror module, which is linked to the Delhi blast case. In fact, investigators have found that Dr. Shaheen was in constant contact with her brother, raising suspicion about his possible involvement as well. Remember, Dr. Shaheen is the one who is heading Jaish's women wing in India. She was responsible for recruitment of more women for the terror group. Now, the UP-ATS detained Parvez yesterday. This was following a raid which took place at his residence. If you look at his actions in the past few weeks, Dr. Parvez had resigned from Integral University in Lucknow just a week ago. This is where he worked as an assistant professor in the Department of Medicine. Meanwhile, in a related action, another doctor, now Dr. Tajamul from Kulgam in South Kashmir. He's also been detained by CIK Srinagar. This is for questioning as well. Sources say that he had recently bought several private vehicles and was under observation by the agencies. So, a lot more arrests now being made as the investigation in this Delhi blast widens. More and more people are being brought in, they are being questioned to unravel this puzzle, which links a Delhi blast to this Jaish-e-Mohammed terror module.